Numpy, divide each row by a vector element. Suppose I have a numpy array, and I have a corresponding vector. How do I operate on data along each row to either subtract or divide so the result is? Long story short, how do I perform an operation on each row of a 2D array with a 1D array of scalars that correspond to each row?
Here you go. You just need to use none, or alternatively np.newAccess combined with broadcasting.
As has been mentioned, slicing with none or with np.newAccess is a great way to do this. Another alternative is to use transposes and broadcasting, as in and. For higher dimensional arrays you may want to use the swapaccess method of numpy arrays or the numpy rollaccess function. There really are a lot of ways to do this. For a fuller explanation of broadcasting, see this URL.
Josh Adell's solution uses np.newAccess to add a dimension. An alternative is to use reshape to align the dimensions in preparation for broadcasting. Performing the reshape allows the dimensions to line up for broadcasting. Note that data vector is okay, but it doesn't get you the answer that you want. It divides each column of array, instead of each row, by each corresponding element of vector. It's what you would get if you explicitly reshaped vector to be 1 by 3 instead of 3 by 1.
Pythonic way to do this is. This takes care of reshaping, and also the results are in floating point format. In other answers, results are in rounded integer format. Hash note, no of columns in both data and vector should match.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.